What's up guys? Today we've got our 2024 Honda Transalp 750 in the shop. We're going to be showing you how to install the Tusk Pannier Racks today. So one of the cool features with these pannier racks is they have the quick release. So if you need to take off your pannier box, you're going to be able to do that in seconds. Now, a few things you want to know about these is when you go to order these, you can get the rack all by itself, or you have several different options of pannier boxes that can go with it. So check that stuff out on our website. With all that said, this is a really simple install. Let's go ahead and get started. Over at the bench, we have the Tusk Pannier Racks and the hardware laid out. Now these also come with the pannier box mount set. Now we've got a separate video that shows you how to attach those to your pannier box, but today we're just focusing on the pannier racks. Now to get these installed, we're going to be using an 8mm Allen, 10 and 12mm sockets, 10mm combo, a little bit of blue Loctite, safety glasses, and you can use an impact gun to help speed things up. Now, if you need the pannier racks, maybe you haven't picked them up yet, you can find these on our website. Just click the link in the description below. To start out, we need to prep our bike. So in the grab handles, we've got these two plugs. We're going to remove those. You can use flat blade screwdriver, or if you do have a plastic rivet removal tool, that's going to work great on these. And then we also have two bolts in the passenger peg on each side. We're going to use our 8mm Allen to remove all four of those bolts. Now for installation, we're starting with the left pannier rack, and we're going to take the M8 by 25mm bolt, take one of those, apply just a little bit of blue Loctite to it. Then we're going to put that in the rear mounting location. We've got the 3/8 inch spacer. Set that on. We're going to thread this into that grab handle, and we're going to leave the hardware loose. Then it's the same thing for this other upper mount. Next, we have the two OEM bolts in that passenger peg bracket. Again, applying just a little bit of blue Loctite. And then these are going through that pannier rack and into the frame. We have everything loose enough to make adjustments. Now we can go ahead and do those same steps on the other side. Next, we're going to install the rear brace, and this is going to use the M6 hardware. So I'm going to put a bolt on each side. That's going to help hold it in place while I install the nylock nuts on the back side. With everything loosely installed, we can go back through and tighten down all of the hardware. We're going to start at the foot peg mounting brackets, then we're going to go to the upper mounts, and we're going to do the rear brace last. So that's it for installing the Tusk Pannier Racks on our Honda Transalp 750. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments below. If you need help installing that mount to your pannier box, again, we have that separate video, so go check that out. Now, if you haven't picked these up yet and you need them, you can find them on our website. Just click the link in the description below. We offer free shipping on orders over $75, so take advantage of that and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.